Hi there, welcome to Hilliard Jewelers YouTube channel and our unboxing and short review of the 140th anniversary limited edition King Seiko 2021. Product reference is SJE083J1. So let's get this opened up. So as we can see, the packaging is the standard outer packaging you kind of see from Seiko quite often. Foam inside there to protect the inner box, but then the heavy duty finished watch box is in some tissue paper, which is helping it not get scratched. We can see the high quality finish on that box. But let's be honest, we're all more bothered about what's inside, so let's get this opened up. Okay, let's take a closer look inside. The quality is as much in the box. It's very well finished, very well executed. But let's take a closer look at this. The finish on this, it's one of them watches you're going to need to see in the flesh to really appreciate the actual finish on it. You can't get it across in a video. The crocodile leather strap on it, I know it would be super comfy to wear. The polishing on this, obviously you've got your Zaratsu polishing finish to it. It's absolutely great. You can see on the angular cuts to the lugs there, the shape. It'll wear so comfortable, this watch. Anyway, I'd like to cover the specs first. You've got your sapphire crystal glass with the anti-reflective coating on the inner surface, 6L35 movement, which has a power reserve of 45 hours. The case width on this watch is 38.1 mil, and the case thickness is 11.4 mil. 50 meters water resistance, stainless steel case with Zaratsu polished to a distortion-free mirror finish. Date window positioned at 3 o'clock, 2-year manufacturer's warranty. The original looks from the King Seiko are all here. Obviously it's been updated, it's got its own style, but you can see how they've kept it to the original look. The timepiece has been created in celebration of 140 years since the Seiko Watch Corporation was founded back in 1881. It's a recreation of the 1965 King Seiko series, which was very sought after because of its mechanical accuracy. Recreating this design underlines the importance of the 1960s in terms of Seiko's 14 decades of watchmaking development. It was a time of technical and design advancements which laid the foundation for the company's future success in the prestige watch arena. See that starburst to the dial there. There's your original, the shield on the back with the limited edition number there. I do believe that this is going to be a very, very sought after watch in the not too near future. It's so well executed. I'm traditionally a sports divers type watchman and a bracelet guy, but there's something special about this watch. You really need to see it in the flesh to appreciate it. Just a little bit of history. Suwa-Seikosha and Daini-Seikosha became separate entities in 1959 for the purpose of promoting competition and improving products for the Seiko brand. The two divisions, Suwa and Daini, completely independent of each other, not sharing parts, movements, or any design information. This forced the two divisions to take their own approach to the horological challenges of the day. Suwa created Grand Seiko, while Daini created the King Seiko, which is what we have today. If you have any comments in regards to this watch, any questions, feel free to drop a comment and I'll reply as quickly as possible. Give us a follow, subscribe to the channel. We're trying to produce a lot more content. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this. Hopefully speak soon. Bye.